Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to send Dweller to Wasteland in Fallout Shelter. Exploring the Wasteland is one of the best way to find weapons, outfits, and caps in Fallout Shelter. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your Fallout Shelter application on your mobile device, and then once you're inside the game, go ahead and find the Dweller you want to send exploring. I'm just gonna choose one of these dwellers from this room over here. Go ahead and select the dweller and press and hold them. Now go ahead and drag them out of your vault and place them to the vault entrance, the door area at the top of your vault. Now in the pop-up, click on Explore, but before sending them out, equip them with the best available weapon and outfit to improve their chances of survival. After you equip them with the best available outfits or weapons, you can then tap on the Explore button and the dweller will then walk out and start exploring the wasteland. So that's how you can send a dweller to Wasteland. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.